Pete here with the Small Business Resource Center.com. I just want to give you an update. It is Easter Sunday, of course, April 12th. And of course, the quarantine has been going full steam. So if you're looking something to do today with family, or even during the whole quarantine, I've got some good news. The Cashflow game is free online. So if you want to learn and get some financial education, I'll have the link in the description. If you haven't heard of Rich Dad, it's Robert Kiyosaki and Kim Kiyosaki. They talk about ways to invest. They talk about a cash flow quadrant, which explains about how being a business owner, self-employed, well, I'll let you do some research yourself. But it talks about the cash flow quadrant. The game is similar to Monopoly, but basically it's a little bit more complex. So if you look here and you log in, of course, you have options to play cash flow. They have his podcast. They have other free information here, results and goals. Goal setting is very important for every small business. It's actually very important for every person and individual too. Even if you're an employee at a job, you should have a goal, if you ask me. Rich Dad scams, financial scams disguised as wisdom. All this stuff is free, by the way. Free downloads. Freedom from bad debt. Managing your money. So all these things could be important right now. You're looking at a quarantine. You have free time, you want to learn something and have fun. Cash flow game could be a good way to do it. And the education they're providing is free. So, look at this. It's, like I said, it's almost like Monopoly. That's the best way to describe it for a layperson. I'm not going to go through this right now, but just wanted to show it to you so you can see it. I believe you can even set this up so you can play with friends and other locations, even though I haven't logged on to this until years ago. And many years ago, you had to actually purchase the board game. Then they had a CD. Then they had some online play. And I tried the online play many, many years ago, but it was difficult. And I think because it was so new that you just couldn't always get people to play with. But anyways, now it's pretty popular and it should be easy. Link will be in the description for cash flow. Increase your financial education and learn about some things. It's Pete Gustus with the Small Business Resource Center. If this helped you, please smash the like button. If you want to help a friend, share the video. Have a great day.